Inside Saudi royalty, lavish villa tour revealed. Step into a world of unimaginable luxury and opulence. Today, we unveil the private sanctuaries of Saudi Arabia's most elite royal families, where grandeur knows no bounds. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of endless deserts and golden sands. These villas are the epitome of architectural brilliance, seamlessly blending tradition with modern elegance. Marvel at the intricate designs, where every corner tells a story. From hand-carved wooden doors to dazzling chandeliers, craftsmanship here transcends ordinary imagination. The interiors are a symphony of colors and textures, featuring plush fabrics and exquisite artwork. Each room offers a unique glimpse into the family's rich heritage and culture. In the heart of these villas lies expansive courtyards, perfect for hosting lavish gatherings. Surrounded by lush gardens, these outdoor spaces are an oasis of tranquility. Step inside the state-of-the-art kitchens, where world-class chefs create culinary masterpieces. These kitchens are equipped with the latest technology, ensuring every meal is a royal feast. The bedrooms are sanctuaries of peace and luxury, adorned with silk linens and bespoke furnishings. Sleep comes easy when you're enveloped in such splendor and comfort. Entertainment is taken to a new level with private cinemas, bowling alleys, and even concert halls. These villas redefine what it means to live in style and luxury. The impressive libraries house rare collections of books and ancient manuscripts. A quiet retreat where the mind can wander and explore the wisdom of ages past. Feel the serenity of private spas and wellness centers, offering bespoke treatments. Here, relaxation is an art, and rejuvenation comes naturally amidst such elegance. Safety and privacy are paramount, with cutting-edge security systems ensuring peace of mind. These homes are not just palaces but fortresses, safeguarding the legacy within. As we conclude our journey, we leave with awe and inspiration. These royal villas are more than homes, they are a testament to a lifestyle beyond imagination.